Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog video. It is later on in the day from when I filmed my makeup tutorial. It is still Sunday. We are making nachos. We got our taco seasoning. I got my ground beef cooking. I got my peppers, my red peppers chopped up. And yeah, y'all, it's just a vibe. We're chilling out for the rest of the night. After I finish cooking, I'll probably start doing my nails. I told you guys I've been wanting to do a full set on myself for a while now. And today has been a really good day for me. So productivity wise, I think it's been a really good day. So we are going to finish cooking this ground beef up, y'all. And then I'm probably gonna wind up draining the meat out to make sure there's no excess oil in it before I put the cheese dip in with the peppers. So yeah, y'all. Sorry, I had to get some aluminum foil. But yeah, so after I finish cooking the ground beef, I have some fresh red peppers chopped up that I'm going to add to it just to saute it while I give it some extra flavor before I go ahead and put the cheese sauce in. So I'm really excited. It's Sunday night, it's nacho night, and it's lit, y'all. This has been a family tradition for the last couple Sundays. Just finding new dishes to make, to sit down and eat and enjoy family time with each other. So that's pretty much going to be the vibes for the rest of the night. So I will catch you guys sometime later. Hey Jimmy Gems, welcome back to another entry to the vlog. Today is Monday. It is currently 8:56 p.m. and I just got out the shower and just finished putting the baby down for bed. Y'all, I am beat, okay? Between getting my cleaning done today and getting caught up on some much needed laundry I had to do, taking care of the baby, and trying to edit and upload a YouTube video for you guys today, I am so freaking tired. But yeah, y'all. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, last night I did my nails. This is a new set, y'all. It's a little bow on it. Let me see. It's not really focusing in, but yeah, y'all, I did a gray and pink full set. I did them short this time because y'all know the last couple of times I did the acrylic tips, they just kept breaking in the skin and it was just too painful. So I decided to go short and just let them grow out long on their own. But yeah, y'all, I'm really happy with the way they came out. They look really cute. The set fits my hand really nicely, so I'm hype. I didn't get to do my toes yet, but that's okay. I'll work on those another night. I'm so tired, y'all. But yeah, today was the first day it actually snowed this year, so that was cool. That was the first time my son got to actually see snow for the first time. And it's crazy because he was born in Alaska and he doesn't even know that life. Like, today was the first day he got to see snow and he was just looking like, what is that? Like, it was so cute and so funny. But yeah, y'all, so that was pretty much my day, just getting caught up on some things I needed to do around the house, and editing and uploading my video for you guys today. I wanted to do a quick little entry for you guys before I go downstairs and smoke. I need a nice little L to take the edge off the day and unwind and just clear my head. But yeah, so before I do that, I wanted to do this little entry for you guys. Y'all, my skin is breaking out so bad. Like, I literally jinxed myself yesterday in my video saying, oh, my skin has been doing okay. It's been good enough for me to film a makeup video. And literally, soon as I made that video, the next morning, I wake up with 3 no pimples. I just can't catch a break, y'all. Like, this adult acne has been kicking my butt. Like, I don't know if it's the makeup, whatever the products are, if I'm not cleaning my brushes often enough. I change my sheets, my pillowcases, so it can't be that. I don't know, maybe it's hormonal. It could be stress. It could be my menstrual cycle trying to come on. I don't know, y'all, but I am so over this acne. But yeah, y'all, so I just wanted to jump on and update you guys a little bit on what's been going on today. I'm so freaking tired, y'all. I can't wait to go downstairs and smoke. I literally don't even have energy to go downstairs, but I'm going to, because a nice good blunt after a long day is definitely what I need. So I'm probably gonna go downstairs, smoke my L, wait for the hubby to get home from work, and just chill out for the rest of the night. Maybe catch up on some shows. I've actually been wanting to finish this picture that I started in my coloring book, but we'll see how I'm feeling. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys have a great rest of your Monday night. I hope you guys had a great day. No drama, no bad vibes. And I will probably pick up with you guys sometime tomorrow. So until then, you guys have a good night, and I will see you sometime tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Well, good afternoon. It is Tuesday morning. It is currently 1:21 p.m. As you guys can see, I am just sitting down to eat my brunch. I made some homemade hash browns and just scrambled an egg real quick. I got some water, and I actually found a new YouTuber to watch here, guys. Her name is, let me see. Her name is Taja for Juice Day. I think that's how you pronounce her name. And I really like her videos, so I've been catching up and basically binge watching her vlogs. And I recently, like, literally just subscribed to her channel because I really like her videos, y'all. So yeah, that is the vibes for right now. I am just gonna eat some breakfast and chill out and finish watching my girl here. I am currently waist training right now, so yeah, y'all, I'll probably just catch up with you guys a little bit later. So I will talk to you guys when I pick up the camera again. Hey y'all, so I moved from the dining room to the living room. I'm still watching my girl. I went back to some of her older vlogs where she was moving from North Carolina to Atlanta. But y'all, I didn't get a chance to show you guys my tree yet. Y'all, we went a little bit crazy with the presents. My husband went in this year. These are presents for my nieces. These are presents for my son. Another one for my niece. Like, there's even presents back there, y'all. And then these are some presents for me. And my parents under there. Don't mind my son's freaking disaster, y'all. Like, this boy he just don't even care. He does whatever he wants, puts his stuff wherever. But yeah, y'all, this is my tree. I didn't get a chance to show you guys yet, but it is so beautiful, so pretty. We've done maroon for like the last 2 years. I think next year we're probably gonna decide to switch the colors up. But yeah, y'all, it's starting to get a little festive in here, just a little bit. Guys, welcome back to another entry to this week's vlog. It is currently 12:30 in the afternoon. It is Thursday, and y'all, if you guys cannot tell by the sound of my voice, I am just waking up. It was a long, eventful night. We had a huge snowstorm that came last night, and y'all, I hope you guys are staying safe. Everyone and your family is safe, because this snow did not come to play. When I tell y'all, okay, let me show y'all what my backyard looks like on my security camera. Mind you, hubby had to dig out a path just to get to the car last night. So this is what the backyard is looking like. A hot freaking mess. Our pool is still up. We never took that down from the summertime. We never took our table down from the summertime, as you guys can tell. And y'all, this right here is the pathway to get to the backyard. Get to the door to the backyard. And honey, this snow was not coming to play, y'all. So pretty much our night, just chilling at home. Hubby had to come home early from work because the snow started really coming down around like 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. So it was crazy, y'all, but I'm just glad everyone's safe. My godmom, she had to get off work early yesterday also because of the snow. And right by her job is a really steep slope, so I was glad she was able to get off work early and come home to be safe. So yeah, y'all, that was pretty much my Wednesday, just dealing with the weather and pretty much just staying home chilling with the boys. And that was pretty much it. This morning, well, this afternoon, since it is noon, I'm just trying to get myself together, fully wake up, and get the baby some breakfast ready, figure out what I am going to eat for breakfast, so that I can get some energy to get myself together. I need to still take my vitamins for the day. No, Pop, don't mess with that. Let me see. But yeah, I still have to take my vitamins for today. So I will probably jump back on a little bit later with you guys once I get my bearings together. So I will talk to you guys later. At the freaking front of my window to my living room, it is freaking covered out here, y'all. This snow did not come to play at all. Hey gems, welcome back to another entry to the vlog. It is still Thursday. It's just later on in the evening. It is currently 6:20 p.m. I just finished taking a shower and getting the baby together. He literally, guys, he had the most explosive poopy diaper ever. Like, I couldn't even change it. I had to just throw him in the shower. So yeah, got that together, got myself together. I do have a bit of a migraine that I just took some Tylenol for, and I'm currently prepping dinner. I'm making some Alfredo with some garlic bread, something quick just to throw together real quick for dinner, because I really don't feel like cooking, but I didn't cook yesterday, so here I am. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all that's going on as of right now. Yeah, my water looks like it's boiling, so I'm about to throw my noodles in the pot. I'll probably jump back on a little bit later once I'm more relaxed and feeling a little bit better. So I'll probably just check back in with you guys a little bit later. So I'll see you guys soon. Y'all, so I just threw the garlic bread in the oven, and I have my panini noodles in the water boiling. Brand of Alfredo sauce that I chose to use tonight. This is the Prego roasted garlic and parmesan. And then I just added a little extra seasoning, which was the garlic powder, black pepper, parsley, and then some onion powder. And this is pretty much it. I already served my son's plate for him. I'm about to make my plate now. Bread has toasted, and this is what it's looking like. So yeah, and I'll catch you guys sometime later. Alright, y'all, so I'm done doing my makeup. I'm just doing a couple finishing touches. My son's in here. Sorry if it's loud in the background. I think that's all right. I hate putting jewelry on by myself because I'll be scared my shit gonna pop. But anyway, so this is the end result of the makeup look today. I just decided to go with the green. As you can see, I was feeling that more, so I'm just adding some accessories. Excuse me, y'all, I got cotton mouth. These were a birthday gift from my dad. Nudging too. But yeah, y'all, this is pretty much the end of the look. I'm just adding a couple finishing touches up, and that's pretty much it. I went and got some food in my belly real quick because I had the munchies real bad. So I went, ate something real quick, and now I'm just, you know, doing the final stuff to like complete everything. I'm probably gonna take some pictures, so I figured I might as well just get cute. I had a different green shirt that I planned on wearing, but I couldn't find it, so excuse me, y'all. Yeah, I couldn't find it, so I guess this will do. I'm waist training right now too, y'all, so I feel snatched, like snatched. Ugh. I just got some ripped jeans on with this shirt. I cannot wait to get like a vanity or something. Like, I know I've been talking about this forever, but I really can't wait to get my vanity so that I could film at different angles for y'all. But I think I'm gonna go look for that other shirt, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna just take y'all with me. Like, I got mad shit in my closet, to be honest, but like, I got this shirt I could wear. It's a cute little crisscross neckline. I have this one that has green. I got this when my husband first got into the military. Like, I have a whole bunch of tops that are green that I could have wore, but I was looking for my long sleeve one so that I have this one. I haven't worn this one in forever because, to be honest, I don't have a bra to go with this because it's off the shoulder. So yeah, y'all, I have a whole bunch of shirts that I could have worn, but I was looking for one shirt in particular and I really can't find it. So I guess I'm gonna just have to say RIP to that idea and just scratch it. But anywho, y'all, this pretty much brings me to the end of the video. If you guys have made it this far, I thank you guys so much for watching. And please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you guys turn your post notifications on, so every time that I do upload, you guys are notified. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. I love you. Bye.